Hey, coming from La Jolla, California today, teaching people the importance of cleaning out your ventilation systems to prevent fires and also clean out your dryers routinely to prevent cloggages inside the ventilation system. Today we're gonna record another educational video on the importance of cleaning out your ventilation system in your dryers. This is a 3-year-old dryer, and the complaint was that the filter is not sitting properly. And basically, it was getting taped on to hold in place. So, just to show you, a lot of lint clogged up inside the passageways, and that's going to restrict airflow, and you will not dry efficiently. So here's another important factor with dryers in general. You know, things tend to drop in the back, and then obviously, if it does set on fire, this will ignite really fast, and it's going to cause a lot of problems. Oh, look at that.
Really bad?
Yeah, I already see sand in here and some lint. So this is only a 3-year-old machine, and you can see lint's already building up inside of it, and sand and dog hair and whatnot. And the heating element is actually right here. So here we go. This is the inside vent portion, and you can see lint has been accumulating in here with some sand and dog hair and everything else in between. And then what happens, this will get clogged inside the internal ventilation system in the house and also the ventilation system in here, and I mean your dryer is just not going to be as efficient as it used to. So this is the beast that's causing all the issues with the hair. Hiding behind the bush. Hey, buddy. You look guilty. As you can see, things will accumulate underneath and in the back, and this could have been a bad fire. So our business is about preventing things like that. Cleared out from behind here now. Nice and clean. And now we're going to hook up our step 2, which is going into the ventilation system itself. So this is the step 2 process. We got the vent mole hooked up, and we're running the line in for our brush. And now we're gonna hook the vacuum. So now we're gonna go in from the back vent. All that it just came out of there. It's ridiculous. Yeah, so this is everything that came out of your dryer. And you said that the dryer is only 3 years old, right? Mm-hmm. How old is the ventilation system? Do you know?
Maybe like 10.
10 years old?
11.
Still 10 years old. I mean, that's ridiculous. Another satisfied customer and another fire prevented. 3-year-old dryer, 10-year-old ventilation, completely clogged up. The machine was not working efficiently. So now we're actually going to save the customer money, and we're going to prevent any kind of future fires or any other problems. And like us on Facebook, give us a good review. And we're going to be developing new systems, new technology to help you guys save money and prevent fires.